Hi guys, David from Ozwide Tools Mechanics Tool Hire. Firstly, welcome back. Hope you had a fantastic break and have recharged the batteries, ready for a big year ahead. What we'd like to do today is just show you some of the, we've had a couple of shipments land and we want to show you some of the new tooling that have come in and some tips and pointers for when you get these vehicles in the workshop. So let's get right into it. First one here is for the 1 litre 3-cylinder Ford EcoBoost engine. This actually is not a new tool. This is the engine timing toolkit, but what is new is the toolkit that is next to it. Now that is actually a torque multiplier. You actually have to use it in conjunction with this engine timing toolkit, and the reason being is for the harmonic balancer. These balancers are torqued to an extremely high torque. We're talking sort of towards the 1,000 Newton meter mark. And you do need a torque multiplier to get it to that point. The gear ratio on that one is 1:5 and is a must-have with these engines. On the topic of very tight harmonic balancers, the one next to it, this one here, this is for the Land Rover and Jaguar, for the V6 3.6 litre petrol and the 5 litre V8 petrols. Super tight. You need this complete kit just to tighten the harmonic balancer and actually also removing it. So the next one along is from the Ingenium family, Land Rover Jaguar. This one particular is for the diesel 2 litre. Will be a popular kit. This one is a brand new one. Also comes along with the high pressure pump remover. A lot of the timing tool kits don't come with that piece. Moving along on the Ingenium family, we have the 2 litre petrol engine, already a very popular engine. It's found in the Evokes, the Discovery Sports and the Freelander 2s. Next one along is a brand new kit that's just landed. This is actually to assist in filling up the oil. Now you probably say, why do you need something to help you fill up the oil? It is a bit of a gimmicky tool. It actually is not a gimmick tool. And the reason being, some of these later model engines, especially in the Euro families, they are extremely slow to fill up, as a lot of the techs out there will know. This kit has a whole heap of adapters to suit pretty much every rocket cover scenario. So you clip on the adapter onto the rocket cover, put this funnel piece in, you fill it right to the top, and it just allows you to continue working on the service while you're waiting to fill the oil up. Workshop owners will like this because they're not wasting time. Some of these engines take 15 to 20 minutes to fill. So I think this will be a very popular one. This one will be an extremely popular one, should be in every workshop. It is basically a brake caliper socket set, especially a lot of the later model Audi and Volkswagen ranges. They have very unusual 10-point and 7-point and 14-point sockets, along with some of the unusual Mercedes Allen key sizes. So again, look out for this one. It is on the website. A must-have for workshops. Okay, and last but not least, to do with Australian emission regulations, the Euro 5 standards, with the AdBlue, becoming a very popular item in diesel vehicles. This does actually need to be checked with Australia's high fluctuations of temperature. You can get water condensation, measures water content in the AdBlue, and works out whether you need to replace it or not. This one is actually a digital format. It will do AdBlue, but it will also cover the 3 glycol ranges. It will do battery fluid, windscreen washer fluid, more for, I suppose, European. It has an electronic sensor in the top there. Measures, you only need about 2 to 4 drops in the top there, and it will measure and give you the result within about 2 to 4 seconds. Thanks for watching, guys. Take a look at our website, ozwidetools.com.au, and like us on Facebook and YouTube.